This is my little star Kiwi. While he doesn't run in Hollywood circles, he lives a very pampered life. This gives him time to ponder super important things. And since everyone can't speak cat, I'm here to translate his knowledge. Today his thoughts are about new residential construction and, of course, yummy treats. So let's get started with the basics. New residential construction is issued on a 12-month policy with an option for a second 12-month policy term, which you issue these online at usinsured.com. And if needed, there's an unsold dwelling policy available for new residential construction. Typically, it's called a third-year term. Please keep in mind, unsold dwelling policies come with a higher rate starting at 90 cents per 100, and the coverage form is different than the builder's risk form. So familiarize yourself with the differences so you can discuss these with your client. And here's an important part. Structures are insured total completed value at all times. If structure values increase even in the second policy term, the charge for the increase will be effective back to the policy inception date, and your client will be billed accordingly. Also keep in mind, underwriting may ask for a construction cost breakdown depending on the value increase. Now let's talk about endorsements. You should add optional endorsements like better green, soft cost, or flood at the policy inception. But if you forget, many of these endorsements can be added up to 30 days after policy inception. Now let's sum things up. New residential construction is based on total completed value. You get two 12-month builder's risk policy terms available at the same rate, and if needed, an unsold dwelling option. And don't forget all of those endorsements that you can choose from, all on Zurich paper. Whew, let me tell you, that's a lot of thinking, Kiwi. Now it's time for a nap and some cookies. Not for me, for him. It is so rough working 3 minutes every 4 months. Poor little guy. Till next time.